In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your table headers in Microsoft Word repeat across pages. A nifty trick that can save you a lot of time and keep your documents looking professional. Whether you're creating a report, a schedule, or any multi-page table, having your header row repeat can make your documents far more readable and user-friendly. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to click inside the first row of your table. This is a crucial step because where you click inside the table determines what you are able to modify. The first row is typically where you place your column headings, and these are the headers you want to repeat on each page. Now, once you're inside the table and you've selected that initial row, you need to direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of Word. The ribbon is where you'll find various tools and options that are categorized into tabs. The tab you're looking for is the one labeled Table Tools. Sometimes this might be hidden until you actually click into a table, so if you don't see it immediately, don't worry, it should appear. Under Table Tools, you will notice there are two sub-tabs, one labeled Design and the other labeled Layout. The one you want to focus on here is the Layout tab. But remember, it's the Layout tab that's part of Table Tools, not the Page Layout tab located elsewhere on the ribbon. This is a common point of confusion, but getting this right will ensure you're in the correct part of the interface. Once you're in the Layout tab under Table Tools, look for the section labeled Data. This is where you'll find various commands related to how you can manipulate the data in your table, one of which is the magical button you're looking for. Repeat Header Rows. Click on this button, and just like that, you've set your table headers to repeat across all pages. In practice, what this means is that if your table spans multiple pages, the header row will be visible at the top of each page, providing context and clarity to each segment of your data. This is especially useful when printing documents or when sending them out in PDF format, where the recipient will immediately understand what each column represents, even if they're starting in the middle of your document on some subsequent page. Just as a quick tip, if you need to troubleshoot or you find that the headers aren't repeating as expected, double-check that you've selected the correct row and that you've clicked the right Repeat Header Rows button under Table Tools Layout. It's a simple, often overlooked feature, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes an invaluable tool in your document creation toolkit. Thanks for watching, and happy table formatting!